Hello everyone. Today I want to show you an office management software that helps you manage your visitors' data. Uh, this is very useful for office management because it helps you keep a clean record, and two, it makes it easy for you to find a specific visitor records, and three, uh, with just one click you can make your data ready for analysis and for reports. Number four, it enables you to plan your resources, both human and non-human resources, for effective office management. So let's get into it. At the top section here, we can see where we can enter the visitors details, while at the bottom section here we can see where all the records lies, in fact all the records from the inception of the database. Now why we are not seeing any records down here is because by default the start date for and the end date for the records is today, of which we have not entered any record. So let's go ahead and enter a record and see. So immediately I click the add records, we can see that the record show up in the record list. So let's go ahead and add another one. Let's see, the visit is personal, the date is today, came 10:30 and left 11 o'clock. So again, when I click, the record show up here. So now down here there are a couple of things I could do. So let's say I made a mistake in Michael James. I didn't add the third name. So when I click the record, it comes up here for me to edit. So now here I can add the third name for him, and maybe in the company name I made, I didn't put limited. I can make a host of other changes, both date everywhere. So when I click add record, you can see that the changes take effect. And now apart from this, I can also decide maybe to delete a record. Let's say this record I entered, uh, I don't want to enter it. I don't like it anymore. I can just simply click delete, and then yes, it's been deleted. So here I can decide to show all the data from the inception of this database, which you can see the date range from here till today. These are all the existing data that exists in this database. There are a couple of other things that I can do also. I can decide to search this database by a date range, start date and the end date. Maybe let's say I want to see data only from 17th of this month, 17th till today. When I click search, I now have my data. There are 5 records. Now again, I can actually decide to search by the visitor's name. Maybe let's say I want to see if Natasha came around the organization. I can just type Natasha. See, as I type, it brings up the name. So this makes it easy to find any records within your database. Now there are a couple of other things that I can also do. Maybe let's say my boss asks me to make a report, uh, a report on all the visitors that come to the office within a certain range of dates. I just put the range of date there. Uh, let's say he said I should make a report of visitors that came uh, since on the 21st of May till today. Now When I click search and it brings up, then I can make a report. The system will generate a report automatically for me. Now from here, there are also a couple of things that I can do. I can export it to an Excel file that can enable me to do further analysis. Uh, Let me keep it on the desktop so we can view it later. I can also export it as a PDF file if maybe I want to send an electronic copy of this report to other people. I can also decide to print it directly. I can also decide to preview it first before I print the print it. So let's go ahead and look at what we have exported to the this is the PDF. This is a PDF file of our reports which we can send electronically everywhere, and in fact we can still go ahead and send it to print right here. So this is the Excel file that we just exported, and from here we can subject it to further analysis where we can find the day with the highest number of visitors, and we can also find the time in a day where we have the highest number of visitors. So please, if you like this software and you want to get a customized version, please send in message or call the number on the screen